SmartBabyToon presents Floppy's Nighttime Adventure. Hi kids, I'm Floppy the Bunny, and tonight we're going to explore the night and learn about the sounds you hear when it's dark. Don't worry, these animals and birds won't harm you unless you disturb them. Let's go on this nighttime adventure together. First up, we have the owl. Owls are known for their hooting sounds. They help keep the night safe by catching small animals. Next, we see bats. They make tiny squeaking sounds and love to eat insects. Bats help keep the bug population down. Listen to those chirping sounds. They come from crickets. Crickets make music in the night and are completely harmless. Hear those croaks? Those are frogs. Frogs love to sing by the water and help keep the insect population down. Foxes make barking sounds at night. They are clever animals that hunt small creatures and are usually shy around humans.
Howl!
Coyotes howl to communicate with their pack. They are like wild dogs and usually avoid humans. Raccoons are nocturnal and make rustling sounds as they search for food. They are very curious but not dangerous unless provoked. Mice make tiny squeaking sounds as they scurry around looking for food. They are very small and usually hide from people. Hedgehogs make snuffling sounds as they search for insects to eat. They are very gentle and roll into a ball if they feel threatened. Owlets are baby owls that make soft peeping sounds. They stay close to their parents who protect them. Nightjars make churring sounds and fly at night to catch insects. They blend into their surroundings very well. Moths are attracted to light and make fluttering sounds as they fly. They are completely harmless and beautiful to watch. Skunks are known for their strong smell, but they only spray if they feel threatened. They make soft noises as they search for food. Fireflies light up the night with their glowing bodies. They don't make much sound, but they are magical to watch. See, there's nothing to be afraid of at night. All these animals and birds are just living their lives and making the night interesting. Remember, they won't harm you unless you disturb them. Thanks for joining me, Floppy the Bunny, on this nighttime adventure. Good night, and see you next time on SmartBabyToon. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more fun videos. SmartBabyToon. Learning is fun!